All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. It is Friday. It is Friday, people, and hopefully you guys are doing wonderful. As you guys know, Gold Cup is still going on, but guess what? New information is out, and we have to pass on that information. The Concacaf Nation League fixtures are out. Well, not all the details of the fixtures, but the majority of details that you want, like the groups and also the date of the games. No specificity in regards to brother, come on, good. In regards to the time and those stuff and location, but everything, most things are in order at this present moment. I'll be showing you guys the group and also explain to you guys the new format and the reason for this Nation League. This Nation League participation is to aid whichever team to the Copa America, which is big deal, big deal, people. And I would want Jamaica to be participating in that. So before we do anything, please, people, remember that we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. 30,000 subscribers. We're at 29,500. So we are just 400 short. We are just 400 short, people. We will get there. We will get there. I believe we'll get there by God's will. Yeah. So let's get straight to the meat of the matter. Let's first understand the competition. So let me jump over to that at this present moment. So all 41 Concacaf Members Association will participate in a revamped competition that includes more direct elimination matches. The tournament serves as a qualifier for the Concacaf teams participating in the CONMEBOL Copa America 2024. Group stages begins in September 2023. So that's basically a lot of the outside information that you guys would want to know. All right, so let's continue. The competition third edition will take place during FIFA International Match window September, October, November, followed by the Nation League finals in March 2024. The Nation League was introduced by the Confederation in 2018 and provides all members association with the opportunity to compete consistently in a regular schedule of official matches during a 4-year cycle between FIFA World Cups. It drives development and delivers a compelling tournament for fans across the region. Let me see. New competition format, as you know, most of the games are knockout like national teams, group stage, and qualifiers. So this is just the meat of the matter. There's a lot of details. Yeah, we love to read all that to you guys, but it makes no sense I do that extended amount of reading. So this is the group that Jamaica falls in, Group B. We face Cuba. We have Cuba, we have Grenada, we have Haiti, Honduras, and Suriname, and Jamaica in that group. So let's start back. Cuba, Grenada, Haiti, Honduras, Jamaica, and Suriname falls in the same group in the Nation League. And I would expect us to be comfortably first. Why does the Honduras flag look like that? Why does the Honduras flag look like that on this? I have no clue why it looks like that. I'm not sure I will change the color of the Honduras flag. Anyways, I'm with understand. Oh yeah, I just remember now. Yeah. So my apologies on the Honduras flag. I'm certainly gonna have to sort that out. But yeah, that is what the group looks like. I do think that we should be comfortably coming out of this group or even top in this group. I'm not going to say comfortable because this is football, but we should be. I think this is fairly an easy group for the Reggae Boyz. Go in the comment section and tell us what you think. What do you think about this group? Honduras, I think Honduras might be a bit problematic. Suriname, Haiti, but I don't think that it's beyond our reach. I honestly don't believe that this is certainly is beyond our reach. But for sure, we should be in good stage. Now, what's important is this: we have a good Gold Cup campaign, and off the back of the Gold Cup campaign, we can rally the same momentum, rally the same team, the same fight, go into the Nation League. And I would love if we're going to go into the Nation League with the same team that we have right now, so we can keep that level of cohesiveness and build on that chemistry. Because as you can see, how we're playing right now, you can see that the team lacks that chemistry. Team morale is high, but we lack the chemistry. Working on the cohesiveness, but still lacking in the chemistry. So I do believe that this Nation League competition in September, October, and November should be very, very good where matchup is concerned, to get the players more game time together, which is very, very important. That's something that we always speak about, and that's something that has been hitting the Jamaica team for such a long time. Now, you can see that the Jamaica, like right now, we have a 1 week break between the quarterfinals, the first round and the quarterfinal matchup. And you can see where during this 1 week time, you can see that this is a good window of opportunity for the coach to sit down with the players, put down, go on the pitch with the players and get some real groundwork going in where preparation is concerned. So these games leading up to the World Cup would be essential. We don't want, when we're 1 or 2 years away from the World Cup, or 1 year away from the World Cup, we're still trying to fix this and fix that. So cohesiveness, continuity is very, very important. So for the Nation League, I'm really, really hoping that the squad that we have right now is as close as possible to what we're gonna have in September. Maybe same 18 or 19 players, just 1 or 2 or 3 players different, maybe a extra quality added on. And I don't believe that when we are going to the Nation League, this is the basis of quality where it's concerned. Anything else being added to the squad must be on the same level or above, so that when we're in the Nation League, whatever competition we're continue to fighting in or to challenge in, we can be competitive and not just be there to participate. Because for years now, we have just been participators in whatever competition in Concacaf. But this time around, we are competitors now. I get that feeling, so we should keep that momentum going. So this is what it looks like for Nation League. First match is Jamaica versus Honduras at September the 8th. Second game, September the 12th, Jamaica versus Haiti. Then October the 12th, Grenada versus Jamaica. Then October 15th, Haiti versus Jamaica. Still not specific on the date for the Cuba game as yet, so we will certainly see how that one works out. And we're not sure location. If we're going to get home games, that would be good. That would be really, really good. If we're going to get games in Jamaica, that would be wonderful. That would be wonderful, people. But anyways, smash the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Tell us what you think about the group and what you think, how we should prepare going forward for the Nation League. This is actually, the Gold Cup is actually preparation for the Nation League. As you know, Nation League is preparation for the Copa America. Copa America and the other Concacaf Commission are preparation for the World Cup and World Cup qualifiers. So, bless up, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Alright. Boom.